Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook bhajia. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the bottom of the video. Today we are going to cook three types of bhajias: chicken, potatoes and onion. I'm going to start by preparing the potatoes first. So I'll start by peeling the potato and slice them. This is the peeled potato. I'm going to slice it. When you cut potatoes, try to make the slices the same size. The thickness of the potato should be as close as possible to another slice. That's how they are. You can see the thickness of whole potatoes. I'll do the second potato now. Next I'll cut my onion. Take the skin off, slice it small. You can see the size of this onion is cut in small pieces and small slices. Now I'll cut this chicken breast. These are the sizes of chicken pieces, and it's easier to cook and it's faster to cook if you have smaller sizes. If you make very big, then it will take longer time to fry. I'll now prepare my batter for bhajia. We'll start with all-purpose flour, and I'll put 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is the 5th spoon. I'll put 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Second spoon. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now what cornstarch does is makes your bhajia crispy. Half a tablespoon of baking powder. Baking powder will make it soft inside. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried coriander, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to stir it dry right now, and then we'll add water to it. So I'll keep adding water little by little and see how it turns out. The flour is turning into dough, and we keep on adding water little at a time so that it doesn't become too thin. We don't want this to become too thin. It has to have a certain consistency so that it sticks to all the ingredients we have cut, like potatoes and chicken and everything. So keep on beating properly so that all the flour becomes nice and liquidy. So now the batter is ready. You can see how it drops. It's going to work good now. Now it's time to fry the bhajias, and I'll heat up the oil at high temperature. Now we'll start frying our bhajia with chicken first. I'll put some of the pieces of chicken in the batter. Now the oil is hot, and I'm going to start putting my chicken in. This chicken will fry about 5 to 6 minutes and will be done well. So as it cooks, I'll keep on turning them so they cook both sides better. You can see the color of this chicken is almost ready. So within half a minute or so we'll take it out, and it will be delicious to eat. You can see how well done they are. They are all ready to eat. Next we'll cook our potatoes. Same way we put some in. Mix it. So I'll now put the potatoes in. Now this batch of potatoes will take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. So potatoes and chicken, they take 2 batches each to finish. Potato bhajias are now ready to come out. Onion bhajia, because we make them nicely sliced small, we cook them different way. Because onion pieces are small, we mix it totally with the batter and then we put it in. This will fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Onion bhajias are now ready and I'll take them out. I've taken one sample of each bhajia and I'm going to cut it and show it to you how it looks inside. This is chicken and you can see it's soft inside, crispy outside. You can hear it. This is potato and it's the same way. Soft inside and crispy outside. And the onion, you can see the onion in there. It's almost very close color to the batter, but you can still see it.
So I'm here for the most important part, the taste test. So we're gonna do half each of each different bhajia. Okay, so we'll do chicken first.
Chicken first.
Chicken.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Just perfect.
Perfectly done. Crispy and soft on the inside. Very good. Potato next. Cheers again.
Cheers, yeah. It's cooked proper.
And lastly, the onion. Cheers.
Cheers again.
Mmm. The onions are crunchy on the inside and on the outside. So you get a double crunch with the onion. And it has a nice sweetness to it too. All three fantastic.
This is our finished product. Potato, onion and chicken bhajias. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you are notified every time we post a new video. Also share this video with all of your friends. Until next time. Now let's see how the boss likes it. I'll give her chicken first. This is potato bhajia. I need half. Potato! Potato! And then I'll eat half again. भजिया अच्छा है? अच्छा लगा? भजिया अच्छा लगा? Good? Okay. Thank you. Shazam.